And today we are going to see NEET 2017 question paper. The mass of the bullet is 10 gram, okay, and its velocity 400 meter per second. It's going to be stick on the wooden block. It is 2 kg of the wooden block, okay, and it's horizontally suspended with the 5 meter, okay. The center of the block is going to get raised at the distance of 10 centimeter, okay. It's 10 centimeter. It's getting raised. Okay, what is the speed of the bullet after its emergence? That's the question. Okay, they are given 4 values A, B, C, D. We need to find after this happen, how much the bullet is going to emergent outwards. That's the question they asked. Okay, so it is 5 meter string and the block mass is 2 kg. It's given in the question. Okay, the bullet mass is 10 gram. Okay, so its initial velocity is it's going to be 400 meter per second, which is high velocity. Okay. So it's penetrating into the wood. The wooden block is going to rise at the vertically. Okay, the bullet is fired horizontal. The block is going to move at horizontal. Okay, vertical. Okay, so it's raised at 10 meter. Sorry, 10 centimeter. Okay, the height is getting raised at 10 centimeter. Now we should find what is a bullet coming out. What is the velocity it's going to come out. Okay, that's the thing we have to find. Okay. See here, we know momentum and energy is conserved. This two is conserved. Okay, first I am taken energy is conserved. See here how I am using this problem. Energy is conserved. Okay, kinetic energy plus potential energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, so when the block is started moving, okay, in this particular point, simple pendulum. Okay, simple pendulum concept. Here kinetic energy is going to be maximum. Okay, here potential energy is going to be maximum. Simple pendulum, already we know this condition. So in this kinetic energy will be 0. At final point kinetic energy will be 0. At starting point potential energy, there is no potential energy. Okay, so it is a point of A, it is a point of B we are taken. Okay, so total energy is conserved. At the point of A, potential energy is 0. Kinetic energy of mv square. Mass is going to be total mass. Okay, at B point, total mass means it is 2 kg, it is 10 gram. Okay, totally 2010 gram, otherwise 2.010 gram. Okay, so potential energy is going to be 0. In this case, kinetic energy is 0, potential energy mgh. Okay, so see here, m get cancelled. So 2 I am taken that side. So v square is equal to 2gh. V is equal to root of 2, g is 10, h, height is raised, it's going to be the 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter we can write 0.1 meter. So root of 2 into this 2 multiplication will get 1. So velocity of the block, the initial velocity of the block is going to be root 2. Okay, when it started moving, the velocity of the block is going to be, when started moving, it's going to be root 2. Okay, now momentum is conserved. Okay, momentum is conserved at this particular point. So block is rest, so initial velocity of block is rest, initial velocity of the bullet is 400, initial velocity of the bullet is 400 meter per second. After collision, the final velocity of the block is root 2, okay, because it started moving with root 2 velocity. Okay, now final velocity of the bullet is question mark. At this particular situation, the bullet is going to come out. That's question is asked. Okay, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. It is a conservation of momentum. Okay, this is a formula for conservation of momentum. In this formula, it is totally initial velocity of the we will take it gun bullet. Okay, it is wooden block. Okay, it is initial velocity of gun and bullet. Sorry, just GB I am taken. It is block. Okay, like that I am taken. Okay, mass of gun, mass of bullet. Okay, it's going to be 0.01 gram, 1 kilogram, because 10 gram I converted as a kilogram. Initial velocity of the bullet is 400 meter per second. Okay, plus second one block, mass block is 2 kg and initial velocity of the block is rest. Okay, it is before collision. This is a before collision situation. After collision, so the mass, it's going to be, mass of the bullet is going to be 0.01 v. It is a velocity of the bullet. Okay, so z plus mass of the block is going to be 2 kg and the velocity of the block, okay, after collision, it's going to be root 2. Before only we found this one. Okay, it's going to be 400 times of 0.01 will get 4. This going to be 0. Okay, is equal to 0.01 plus, it is a velocity of the bullet, it's going to be 2 into 1.4. Okay, the next one. So 4 minus this, I am bringing left side, 2 into root 2, which is going to be called 1.4, 0.01 into VB. So this answer, no, 4 minus 2 into 1.4 is equal to 0.01 velocity of bullet. Okay, 4 minus 2.8 is equal to 0.01 velocity of the bullet. This is going to be 1.2. Okay, this I am bringing as a denominator, 0.01 is equal to velocity. So numerator 100, denominator 100, then only you will get as a final value. So it's going to be 120 meter per second. Denominator you will get as a 1. Okay, so answer for that particular question is 120 meter per second. So answer for this 120 meter per second. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.